2024 Toyota Camry SE. This is clean Carfax, one owner, all-wheel drive. Has all of the Toyota Safety Sense features on it. It's a great looking car. Has heated steering wheel, heated seats, leather, power adjustable with memory. Here is your heated steering wheel. You do have an extra compartment right there. This is all touchscreen right here for your controls. You do have extra power outlets here. This opens and closes. You do have Eco, Normal, and Sport mode here. Here are your heated seats. And here is the back seat. 2024 Toyota Camry.